In this video, I'm going to give you an answer for a question, and the question is, what does CNC stand for in text? What does CNC stand for in texting? Now I'll give you the answer for the question. And the answer is, it stands for consensual non-consent. So that's the answer for the question, consensual non-consent. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. It's very simple, just click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn the notification on. And if you like this video, you can click this like button, and if you want to share this video with your friend, you can just go ahead and click the share button, and you can share it to Facebook, to Twitter, LinkedIn, VKontakte, and many other social media. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching video, and see you again in another lovely sweet video. See you again. Don't forget like and subscribe. Bye bye.